Here's the E36, and one, I gotta fix something because it broke, but also because we're going to the track someday. Pretty exciting. What's wrong is, due to this car being low and scraping, it looks like it has broken off the mount that holds the exhaust hangers over here towards the back end. So I'll show you that piece and what's going on. Right, so this piece, by the time we got it back to the garage, was actually not here where it's mounted to. You can see a bolt hole there and there. It was actually resting like back here.
It was just sitting on the exhaust.
It was just resting on the exhaust. So we lost the two rubber mounts. This is how it would mount, roughly like this. But you can see how these two mounting points are kind of a low point on the car. So due to that fact, and the fact that this thing will scrape over like, you know, parking lot speed bumps or different, you know, various inclines, it's getting caught there, and it actually broke those bolts out. And we're gonna maybe think about modifying this hanger that you see right here, which is actually, you know, you can detach it, and using these bolt holes up here. And then getting the rubber hanger going from that mount to right here, holding this up. So that's our game plan for now. Pop out of here. Nice. See that here. Down like that.
Yeah. That would work too. And clamp that. Nah, I can just pause it.
Here, I'll take the light.
Wait.
All right, so we found a solution, guys. We went to 3 auto parts stores, and it was on the 3rd one that we finally found generic exhaust hangers. So we got these ring style kind right here that you can see. And we just took that little bracket out and just, you know, put it in this way. And this thing is secured really nicely. You know, it's got enough natural movement, but it's never really gonna make contact with the body, and it's held up really nicely. This thing's ready for the track, but we'll probably get it out right now and go drive it real quick. Fresh rubber. I was trying to get some tread. Dude, just spin around like a little display. There you go.
Yeah.
What's up? So we got new rubber on these wheels for the E46. Some new Hankook Ventus V12s. So that's gonna be my tire of choice. The old ones were pretty bad, so we had to get some new ones on for safety before we go out. So go ahead and put this on, and then I think both those cars will be ready to go. What's up, guys? You ready?
Yeah,
we're ready.
Let's do this.
Well, hey, we're here at the track. We just did our parade lap, and we're the next group up. Group 1's getting ready. We're group 2. You excited?
Yeah, I'm getting the E36 first. You got the E46.
Yep.
And this is all thanks to Misfit Toys. Shout out to them. Great group of people, and we're just excited to do this.
Some cool cars.